Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to protect your Google Play Store purchase with biometric or facial payment verification for all your Google Play Store purchase. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Play Store. I'm going to click on here, open up my Play Store. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to settings. And the next thing you need to do is to go to purchase verifications. Then it's going to take you right there. Next thing you need to do under biometric verification, use face or fingerprint instead of password. So this is one of the best ways to secure your Google Play Store purchase for payment verification. So for you to turn it on, simply click on this button right here. When you click on that, place your fingerprint or apply with your face verification for each purchase you made in your Play Store. So with this, you have protected your account. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to enable or how you can protect your Google Play Store purchase in purchase verification. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.